Quadratics. One way to solve is factoring quadratics, and another way is graphing quadratics. The formula's another way. Quadratics, completing the square. Let's solve them, no delay. The first way we solve it is something called factoring. Put it in parentheses and solve it that way. Take the equation, make it equal 0. Coming from the official Quadratic Bureau. See the equation that we've got here. Add 21, make it 0, no fear. Take the x squared and distribute that. 1x in each parenthesis, and that's that. We need two numbers in there, so let me see. Their sum's negative 13, that's equal to b. They also need to multiply to 36, negative 9 and negative 4, a perfect mix. Now all we need to do is solve for x. Each one equals 0, make x for the best. In the first one, x equals 9, makes it 0. X equals 4 in the other one, I'm a hero. Quadratics. One way to solve is factoring quadratics, and another way is graphing quadratics. The formula's another way. Quadratics, completing the square. Let's solve them, no delay. The next way we have is something called graphing. Put it on a graph, it's so easy, I'm laughing. First, right off to the side, an XY table. Plug in numbers, it's easy, anyone is able. X equals negative b over 2a. That finds a vertex, find b and a. 4 over 2, vertex is 2. Plug it into the chart, y equals negative 1. And then plug in another number, how about 1? For y we get 0, but we're not done. Plug in 0 for x, for y we get 3. I'm gonna show you a trick that's very easy. Parabolas are symmetrical, plug in the 3. Y equals 0 again, same with the other one, see? Find the x-intercepts, they're both a solution. 1 and 3 easy, and now we're all done. Quadratics. One way to solve is factoring quadratics, and another way is graphing quadratics. The formula's another way. Quadratics, completing the square. Let's solve them, no delay. The quadratic formula's another way. It's very long, but I'll try to keep it at bay. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That's the whole equation. Let's solve it all now, so see you later. X squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Those find the variables we use, so now we plug it in. 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 48 all over 4. Time to solve 3 plus or minus the square root of 57 all over 4. It's simplified now, and the discriminant's positive. There are two answers, 2.6 and negative 1.1. I'm dancing because I figured out all the answers. Hey, I did so good, I'll probably get an A. Quadratics. One way to solve is factoring quadratics, and another way is graphing quadratics. The formula's another way. Quadratics, completing the square. Let's solve a no delay. The last way we have is completing the square. Anyone can do it, even a polar bear. First we need to do is isolate the letters. After we do that, it'll be much better. We'll need to use the formula b over 2 squared. Add that to each side, that makes it fair. Then factor the side that has the letters. Simplify the other side, and then that's better. You'll get 2 parentheses, same thing in both. Square root thumb left with 1. Take the notes, the numbers plus or minus. 2 solutions, negative 2 and 8 are both of them all done. Now I've told you 4 ways to solve quadratics. All these ways, this year we've learned them in math class. Learning them required a lot of practice. We're almost finished, so sing the chorus of the rap. Quadratics. One way to solve is factoring quadratics, and another way is graphing quadratics. The formula's another way. Quadratics, completing the square. Let's solve them, no delay. To remember quadratics, I made a rap song. Other people tried to, but won't last very long. The 4 girls who tried to rap were worse than Ice Spice. When they hear this, they'll say to me, that wasn't very nice. I'll say back, I'm sorry, but I don't really care. Bad raps are plenty, but the good raps are rare. The Analytical Llama has over 200 subs. You've got a skill issue, so we'll take the dub.